Wait, before you keep scrolling, are you tired of acne that keeps coming back? Dark spots that won't fade? Oily shine by noon? Or skin that looks dull no matter what you try? Your morning routine might be the reason. Healthy skin is not about trends or expensive packaging. It's about understanding how your skin functions biologically. While you sleep, your skin goes into repair mode. Cell turnover increases, oil production continues, and water is gradually lost through the barrier. By morning, sweat, sebum, bacteria, and dead skin cells accumulate on the surface. A properly structured morning routine removes this buildup, protects against ultraviolet radiation and pollution, and prepares your skin to maintain balance throughout the day. Cleansing is the foundation. Overnight oil production and environmental particles settle on the skin, and if not removed properly, they can contribute to clogged pores and breakouts. A gentle cleanser used for 30 to 60 seconds with lukewarm water effectively removes debris without disrupting the barrier. For oily or acne-prone skin, a gel cleanser containing salicylic acid is beneficial because salicylic acid is oil-soluble and penetrates into pores to dissolve excess sebum and reduce blackheads. For dry or sensitive skin, a hydrating cleanser with ceramides or glycerin helps maintain moisture and support barrier function. Hot water and harsh sulfates should be avoided because they increase transepidermal water loss and can trigger irritation. After cleansing, antioxidant protection becomes essential. Every day, ultraviolet radiation and air pollution generate free radicals that break down collagen and stimulate excess melanin production, leading to wrinkles and dark spots. Vitamin C, particularly L-ascorbic acid, in concentrations between 10 and 20%, has strong clinical evidence supporting its ability to neutralize free radicals, stimulate collagen synthesis, and inhibit tyrosinase, the enzyme involved in pigment production. Applied in the morning under sunscreen, vitamin C enhances photoprotection and gradually improves brightness and uneven tone. Niacinamide is another scientifically supported ingredient that works well in a morning routine. At concentrations around 4 to 5%, niacinamide reduces inflammation, regulates oil production, strengthens the skin barrier, and improves uneven pigmentation. It is well tolerated by most skin types, including sensitive and acne-prone skin, and does not increase sun sensitivity. Consistent use over several weeks can visibly reduce redness and improve overall skin clarity. Hydration is necessary for every skin type, including oily skin. When the skin lacks water, it may compensate by producing more oil, worsening shine and breakouts. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant capable of holding significant amounts of water, helping the skin appear plumper and smoother. However, hydration must be sealed in with a moisturizer containing emollients and mild occlusives. Lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizers are ideal for acne-prone individuals, while thicker creams with ceramides and fatty acids better support dry or compromised skin barriers. Sunscreen is the most critical step in any morning routine. Ultraviolet radiation is the leading cause of premature aging, hyperpigmentation, and skin cancer. UVB rays are primarily responsible for sunburn, while UVA rays penetrate deeper and contribute to collagen breakdown and long-term pigmentation. A broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher should be applied daily, even when indoors near windows or on cloudy days. SPF 30 blocks approximately 97% of UVB rays, and higher SPFs provide slightly more protection, but no sunscreen blocks 100%. Proper application requires an adequate amount, about 2 finger lengths for the face and neck, and reapplication every 2 hours during direct sun exposure. Mineral sunscreens containing zinc oxide or titanium dioxide reflect and scatter UV radiation and are often preferred for sensitive skin. Chemical sunscreens absorb UV rays and convert them into heat, and modern formulations are designed to be lightweight and cosmetically elegant. The most effective sunscreen is the one that is applied consistently and generously. For acne-prone skin, targeted morning treatment may include benzoyl peroxide in low concentrations, such as 2.5%, which is effective at reducing acne-causing bacteria and inflammation, with less irritation than higher strengths. Overuse can cause dryness and peeling, so application should be controlled and focused on affected areas. Improvement typically becomes noticeable after several weeks of consistent use. If dark spots are a concern, azelaic acid can be incorporated in the morning because it is stable in sunlight and helps reduce both acne and pigmentation. It inhibits tyrosinase activity and has anti-inflammatory properties, making it especially useful for post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Visible improvement usually requires consistent application for 8 to 12 weeks, combined with strict sun protection. Layering order influences effectiveness. After cleansing, apply lightweight serums first, followed by treatment products, moisturizer, and finally sunscreen as the last step. Allow brief absorption time between layers to reduce pilling and ensure even coverage. Aggressive rubbing should be avoided because mechanical irritation can trigger inflammation and worsen pigmentation in susceptible individuals. Environmental exposure throughout the day continuously challenges the skin. Pollution particles can penetrate the barrier and generate oxidative stress, contributing to uneven tone and loss of elasticity. Morning antioxidants combined with sunscreen create a dual defense system. Protective habits such as wearing hats and seeking shade further reduce cumulative sun damage. Overcomplicating a routine often leads to irritation. Using too many active ingredients simultaneously increases the risk of barrier disruption, which presents as redness, stinging, flaking, and breakouts. When irritation occurs, simplifying to a gentle cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen allows the barrier to recover before reintroducing active treatments gradually. Consistency determines results. Clinical studies evaluating topical ingredients commonly measure improvement at 8 to 12 weeks. Collagen stimulation and pigment regulation are gradual biological processes. Frequent product switching interrupts progress and may prolong skin instability. Taking monthly photos under consistent lighting can help track gradual improvement. Makeup products labeled with SPF should not replace sunscreen because most individuals do not apply enough product to achieve labeled protection. Sunscreen should always be applied as a dedicated layer beneath makeup. Reapplication during the day can be supported with SPF powders or sprays, but they function best as supplements rather than primary protection. Lifestyle factors also influence skin health. High glycemic diets and chronic stress may contribute to increased oil production and inflammation in some individuals. Adequate sleep supports hormonal balance and skin repair mechanisms. Hydration and balanced nutrition complement topical care, but do not replace it. Skin of all tones requires daily sun protection. While melanin provides some natural defense against ultraviolet radiation, it does not prevent photoaging or eliminate the risk of hyperpigmentation and skin cancer. Consistent sunscreen use is essential for maintaining even tone and preventing long-term damage. An effective morning routine does not need to be lengthy. Cleanse to remove overnight buildup. Apply antioxidants to neutralize free radicals. Treat specific concerns like acne or pigmentation. Moisturize to support the barrier, and finish with broad-spectrum sunscreen. These evidence-based steps, performed daily, help maintain clarity, brightness, and long-term skin resilience. Clearer, healthier-looking skin develops through protection, balance, and patience. Each morning application reinforces the skin's defense against environmental stressors. Over time, consistent care reduces breakouts, fades dark spots, preserves collagen, and supports a more even, radiant complexion grounded in proven dermatologic science.